Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok repost button not showing. So there is a feature on TikTok where you can repost a video or TikTok video from someone else to your TikTok account, and the TikTok button can be found in the share in here. So when you click on the share button, there will be this option to repost. But if you cannot find it in there, this is what you need to do. First, you can just go to the Google Play Store and then just find TikTok apps. Okay, so click on the TikTok, and here what you need to do is just click on uninstall and uninstall the app. So after you've already successfully uninstalled the app, you can just reinstall again and then log into your TikTok apps again, and hopefully TikTok will get you the latest versions of the feature and you can see the repost button there. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.